Okay, so today we are cooking our Bilo Bilo Ube flavor. So here's our ingredients. We'll start here with our mochiko. And then we have here our taro. We have here our banana, our langka, our jackfruit, our coconut string, our corn, 1 cup of our sugar, our tapioca. We have also here our purple yam and also our ubi flavor liquid. We also have here our 3 cans of our coconut milk. And here we are boiling our 12 cups of water.
Few minutes later.
Our 12 cups of water is now boiling, so let's add our 3 cans of our coconut milk. Just gonna add water into this one so we can get everything on the can.
Few minutes later.
Now let's add our gabi. And also our tapioca. Let's cover it and we'll watch it not to overflow.
Few minutes later.
Check your gabi if it's already cooked or halfway cooked, then we can add all other ingredients. Now let's add our corn, our banana, our jackfruit, our coconut string, brown sugar. Let's also add all-purpose yam. And our purple yam liquid, let's put at least 2 to 3 drops. We'll wait for this one to boil and then we'll add our Bilo Bilo. Here 2 tablespoons of the sweet rice, and then I dissolve it with cold water. So we'll use this to thicken the liquid on our Bilo Bilo. And now let's add our sweet rice, Bilo Bilo. Once the Bilo Bilo goes on top, that means it's already cooked. The sweet rice starts to float already. So once we see everything on top, so that means it's already cooked.
Few minutes later.
Our Bilo Bilo is ready. So here's our yummy Bilo Bilo Ube flavor.